Good morning. We are going on an adventure. We're going to be cycling 65 miles to the Isle of Sheppey, where we're going to be camping, looking over the Thames estuary. It's going to be 30 degrees today, and it's going to be a hot one. It's exploring somewhere I've never been before, but really looking forward to having a cycle and exploring some new areas. We are 4 hours in of our 6-hour cycle, just coming up to 40 miles. Just been going down some really crazy nice cycle paths, but next to the most insane motorway. And now we're on this, what can only be described as, I don't know, it feels like we're in the wild on a purpose-built cycle route just for cyclists. No cars, no nothing. I think the motorway is just over the hill. Such a massive contrast from coming out from North London, going through central London, coming through the suburbs, and now kind of feeling like we're getting into the wild and into what is the nature reserves near the Isle of Sheppey. There we go. Welcome to the Isle of Sheppey. So we just arrived on the Isle of Sheppey. It is windy, but it's sunny and it's warm, it's lush. We're nearly at the campsite, got 2 miles to go. Now on some nice green single track roads again, and yeah, ready for a bit of a rest, bit of a wash. It's extremely hot on its way. So we've had a great day today. We cycled 68 miles, which was the longest ride I've ever done in a single day. It was a early start, 5 AM from North London, and then cycled down through central London. I set off early because I didn't want to be stuck in all the rush hour traffic, because that's just never nice. But yeah, got to the campsite around about 3 o'clock. And set up camp, as you can see here. I'm really looking forward to getting some shots tonight. I've eaten and had some decathlon rehydrated meals, which were actually really nice. Definitely recommend them. Tomorrow, I don't know what the plan's going to be. We may cycle to Canterbury, we may cycle back to London. I'm going to make a decision in the morning. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below and let me know about your adventures. It'd be great to share everyone's experiences, and see you next time.